Good day, students and viewers. You are welcome to the studios of MathsX. In today's class, we will be converting or changing recurring decimals to fractions. When we talk about fractions, we're talking about rational numbers because, first of all, what makes a number rational is that it can be converted to a what? A decimal. Speaking of rational numbers, I would that you check our video one on of sorts or our video on fractions, decimals, and percentages. That should be video 3. I talked elaborately about sorts, not just sorts, rational numbers and irrational numbers. I did a lot of justice in those videos. If you want to learn more about fractions, rational numbers, and irrational numbers, you would do well to check those videos because I did take time to explain all those. In those videos, I talked about the terminating rational numbers and the recurring and non-terminating rational numbers. If you are interested in that aspect of mathematics, please do check. I really did enjoy those videos. I want to say, my dear students and viewers, that you would do well to subscribe to our channel. Yes, it gives us a lot of value. I want to thank you, especially in anticipation. Today's video is all about decimals and recurring decimals, changing it to fractions. Let me start first of all with the terminating aspect. So for the terminating decimal, we have numbers like this: 0.2. See, it terminates. 0.2 is 2 over 10, which is 1 over 5. We also have numbers like maybe 0.25. 0.25, we'll talk about 25 over 100. See, it terminates, like I said earlier. This cancels, and you have 1 over 4. These are terminating decimals. There is also the non-terminating and recurring decimals. Let's put that one down. For the non-terminating and recurring decimals, we have numbers like 0.3333 with a dot. When you write this, because the numbers tend to infinity, you can write it to infinity. That's why I put it dot. Mathematically, better written like this: 0.3 with a dot on top. There are some authors that will use a slash on top. It's still accepted. Maybe you have a number like 0.231231 dot. This would mean that 0.231, you could use a slash on top. This will tell your examiner or anybody accessing your paper that this number is a non-terminating and recurring decimal. Now, for the main part of this video, convert each of the following recurring decimals to fractions in their simplest form. This is the first one. This is the A part. There will be a B, a C part, and all that. So if you have this, this will simply mean there's a dot on top of this, as you can see. This simply means 0.3333 dot till infinity. So how do you convert a recurring and a non-terminating and recurring decimal like this to a fraction? First of all, we should all know that this number is still rational, though it is recurring and non-terminating the way it is. So your steps would be, my dear students, first of all, let x equals 0.3333 dot. And I would say multiply x by 10. That would mean 10x, right? And 10x would mean 3.3333 dot. All right? Subtract x from 10x. I'm going to have to clean this part of the board, my dear students and viewers. Let's place it properly. This would mean 10x minus x. But first of all, what is 10x? 10x is 3.3333 dot. Also, what is x? X is 0.3333 dot. When you do your subtraction, like I said here, subtract x from 10x. So we have here a 9x minus is equal to 3, because when you subtract this, you have a 3. Look at it. You have a 3. So that x on its own is 3 over 9. And this is what? 1/3. So actually, your x, which was 0.33333, which is 0.3 dot with the dot on top, your recurring and non-terminating decimal is actually 1 over 3. Let's do another one. This is the A part. Let's look at the B part. So the B part is 0.42 with 2 dots on top. This means that this is still recurring and non-terminating. And this will be 0.4242, maybe even 42 dot 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 dot. You can keep on going with that. Once again, I will say that let x be 0.4242 dot 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 dot. All right. Once again, this time around, I will say multiply 100. Multiply x, 100 with x by x. So I end up having 100x. All right. Then again, subtract x from 100x. I'll take down that side. So I have here 100x. So what is 100x from here? This will be 42.4242 dot 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 dot. And then my x, this is my x. My x we know is 0.4242 dot 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 dot. Look at it. So in my subtraction, I will have a 0. I have 99x here over 42. Let me take this down. So this will be x equals 42 over 99. So by this, it means that 42, therefore 42 over 99 is the fractional expression of 0.424242 dot 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 dot. I think it's very interesting. It's very simple. It's not even something you sweat about. Let's look at a third one, C. The C part, we're talking about 0.05 with a dot on top. This simply means that 0.05555 dot 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 dot. So first of all, multiply 10 by x. Sorry, first sentence. Let x equal 0.05555. Multiply 10 by x. I'll take this all down. I'll take it all down. So this leaves me with, so my 10, so this will be equal to, of course, this will be equal to 0 0.5, 0 0.5555. So that subtract, subtract, subtract x from 10x. So that will be 10x. 10x, you've seen that it is 0 0.5555. Then your minus your x, which is 0.0 dot 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 dot, mind you, dot 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 dot, mind you, and then dot dot dot. It continues, so that this will be 0.0555 dot 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 dot. So that this will be 9x equals 0.500. So what's the point? So that x will be 0.5 over 9, giving us 5 over 90, giving us 1 over 18. Therefore, 0.5555 dot 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 is equal to 1 over 18. My dear students and viewers, this is the much we can take in today's class. I want to encourage you to keep watching the videos of MathsX, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe. As you do so, God bless you. Thank you very much.